Cymru v the Netherlands, July 5th, 2025. We walked to the game together, and I could cry. I think about how this is for our women's football. I think about how we deserve this. We walk, or rather, we are carried by song through these Swiss streets. Bucket hats, like flowers in a field, side by side, step by step. Sun on the back of our necks, goosebumps on the back of our necks. We sing, oh how we sing. Calon Lan in perfect harmony wraps around the Lucerne Mountains and makes them ours. Well-wishers wave from windows where their bedsheets are drying in the heat. They yell Wales, a new brick in the red wall. Rydyn ni'n deulu, a chorus of cork, gwedd, melon. We arrive at the ground. Wales has arrived. Game in. Our anthem heard for the first time on such a stage. In dedication of women in red, our song, caught in our throats for years, now swells for them in this stadium. Tears. There is relief here. There is pride. There is us. The whistle blows, but we have already won. In Dutch, it's schitterend doelpunt, verschrikkelijke timing. Beautiful goal, terrible timing. But we fought. Oh, how we fought. The whistle blows. Ymlaen Cymru. We walk back together, singing to a night, ours still.